Would your team benefit from coaching but you're not sure how to make the shift in leadership style? Established team dynamics are hard to break, especially when people are used to being given advice and told what to do. Unless you make a concerted effort and transparently invite others into the process, things will slide right back to where they were. Here are 3 tips for introducing coaching into your leadership. 1. Tell your team you want to try something different. Let people know what the new approach is and the benefits of it. 2. Be explicit when you're implementing the new action. When you see an opportunity to coach someone, tell them. For example, instead of suggesting a predetermined solution, can I offer you some coaching? 3. Follow up. After you've had some practice, ask people what they think. What's different? What's working well? What could you do better? We have a great article on this topic. To read it, click on the link in the description.